How do you grow your LinkedIn connection request? Everybody keeps on wondering, and what all things will happen. Now, here is the most easiest way that people will keep on doing is they will come over here, connect, 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 connect. Then again connect, 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 connect. And that's how people will keep on sending connection requests. Although this is the most easiest technique, it does get you good amount of connections, and even I also do it. But there are other techniques. So the best technique what I have found out till date is going across to your alumni network, which a lot of people are not aware to that extent. The alumni network is your college alumni network, is your company alumni network. These are the two alumni networks. So if, for example, I'll go to Xavier Institute of Management. Now I click over here and then I search for alumni. And once I search for alumni, I'll define the year. So I was studying over there between say 2005 and 6. So I'll say 2004 to to 2007. So pretty much these are the people who would have heard about me, or interlink network, we know each other. Now when I got a call and I'm using my mobile to record the videos. Mobile recording gives a pretty much good impact because your iPhone has a good resolution. Using iPhone camera, the backside camera as your webcam gives you a better impact. And this the you see that particular impact in the videos. Using VGA of laptop doesn't give you good result. So coming back to our point, now, whether it is Vaibhav Tandon or say Snigdha or say Rahul Sawant, I can send them connection request. And when I send them connection request, I need to see whether they are relevant for me. Once I know that they are relevant for me, then I can send connection request. So Robin Buthello, we are connected recently, and the thing is, he wanted to know something, and that's how we connected with each other. This is the one of the best techniques. Now another technique is going for the alumni of your workplace. So if you see, I'll just show you social wavelength. So uh, head of marketing. So I go over here to house health, and then I see people over here. And in people, now I start searching who I want to connect with. And this is how I will make my route, because when I'm at workplace, say Aruna Ramchandran, she might be working at some other company now. I want to connect with her in that company, but I can give a relevance to ours over here. Everywhere it happens. So alumni network is one of the most powerful and most easiest way to build your connection, and you can build huge amount of connections. You don't need, and there's no stopping around over there. And every day you need to target at least 25 connections, because in a month's time, say for example 250 per for 10 days, so at least 450 connections per month will give you a result of 50% turnaround time, which is around uh, 200 odd people will accept your connection request, which is a good enough figure, because 200 per month in a year's time you are reaching to 2400. And plus, as you grow, you will also start getting connection requests. So in a year's time you can presumably grow till 5000 easily if you follow this particular strategy, and in no time you will be influencer. I hope going and creating connection requests was an easy task and you understood it. If you are facing some difficulty, do ping me. Thanks a lot again.